My name is Kasak Batra and I am 13 years old, currently studying in grade 9 in the city school Nawab Shah Sindh, Pakistan. First of all, I would like to thank UNESCO and its partners for providing me this wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts, my ideas and my expression with you all on this event, World Science Day 2020. I always try to solve problems of my classmates, including science subjects, and wherever they face any challenge, and also discuss computer-based innovations. Apart this, during my vacation, I often visit my native village, Chehlar, situated in district Tharparkar. There I observe number of problems, including their health, their education, poverty level, lack of social awareness, and this strikes me to find its possible solutions and its root causes. This COVID-19 pandemic provided me the best opportunity to utilize my time effectively and complete my desired goals successfully. UNESCO, in partnership with Technovation Idea Lab, provided me the best opportunity to utilize my time effectively and complete my desired goal successfully. More than 3,000 girls from 6 different countries participated in this 5-week-long training program. And from Pakistan, more than 450 girls participated. And I was one of the participants in Technovation Idea Lab. And all thanks to Technovation Idea Lab, who helped me to polish my ideas, streamline my ideas, and complete my desired goal successfully. Basically, my research idea was to reduce mortality rate of newly born child in district Tharparkar, Sindh, Pakistan. The aim of our project is to reduce death ratio of newly born child with using emerging technology like artificial intelligence. To achieve the objective of my study, I first designed AI model that will automatically detect anemic or unhealthy pregnant women in district Tharparkar. Then I created a questionnaire to collect the data and then entered that data in machine learning platform ML4K model and trained my model to get the particular desired result. My idea was recognized by UNESCO and Technovation Idea Lab as the best one from Pakistan. To achieve this solution is innovative because technology like artificial intelligence had been utilized. These technologies will help us to resolve the problem permanently. An expert mentioned that it would benefit our community in making quick decisions and the proper management. Stakeholders can access this data from the online platform. So, science. Coming towards science. Science is a field which facilitates all other fields. It helps us to find solutions to the problems that we face in our daily life and the problems that we face in our world, like this COVID-19 pandemic. So my message to you all, especially girls of my age, is to choose STEM education and study in its true sense so that you can benefit yourself, your community and the whole nation. In future, I want to deploy a smart device to the pregnant women of Tharparkar district in order to get the feedback of their health, their child's health, and improve this education by this device. And in long term contribute to UN Sustainable Development Goal. As ambitious youth, I want to expand this project to the all rural areas of Pakistan if resources available. My message to the parents is, as due to COVID-19 pandemic, the education sector has been highly effective, especially girls of my age. So I would request the parents to send their child, especially girls, to get education in the schools by performing all the safety precautions like to sanitize yourself, wear mask, keep social distance, so that they could benefit the whole nation. Because in this modern era, we need young doctors, young scientists, engineers, astronauts, and to name few, to save the whole planet and benefit the humankind. In this modern era, the education is the power to change the whole world. And once again, I am very humbly thankful to my all mentors, UNESCO, and my parents who helped me in achieving this. In the end, I would like to call Dr. Edward Teller that the science of today, I repeat, the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Thank you very much for your precious time.